My whole vision and mission has been that we should bring out the talent in our country. We should bring out the forgotten recipes in our country because we have so much of in-depth cuisine in our country that about 25 to 30,000 recipes which are there, and people hardly know about 1,000. And the whole exercise should be that people should be able to bring out the best of the forgotten recipes. Let them do a lot of research work and bring out the recipes. If they want to produce in the modern way, they can produce it. But the authenticity should not be lost. I always felt in my life that if we forget roots, one day the roots will forget us. So let's not forget our roots and continue our mission of research and development and bring out the best out of the lost era. I'm sure this exercise will go a long way in making Go Cheese Awards a huge success, and we look forward to having the young talent coming out with a promising old forgotten recipes and creating the best of the things for the finals. Looking forward to seeing the young talent on that particular day. All the best wishes.